here at the new Tom Crown headquarters, bringing you live technical analysis at our new job. Wow, this market's been rough. But Bitcoin is doing something right now that we saw before a significant reversal just last year. So smash the likes and subscribes. Let's jump into the content. Yesterday's swing high while we were live rallied price up to a very significant moving average. You can think of moving averages as the average price over a given time span. This bold white line is the 20 daily moving average. Over the last 2 days, Bitcoin rallied with strength back to that 20 daily moving average until those salty bears came back into play. But is this cause for concern? On November 16th, where this green arrow is, Bitcoin fell below the 20 daily moving average and since has struggled to find significant strength. Later in December, it saw its first backtest and rejection of the 20, which led to a deeper decline. By the end of December, there was a little hope as the bulls managed to push price back above. This turned out to be a trap. Another rejection from the 20 daily at the beginning of 2022, a second on January 20th, and again just a few days ago. While this looks grim, we do have a little bit of history that suggests we might be looking for a reversal. We saw a very similar event last year in May. At 55,000, the bulls were no longer able to defend the 20 daily moving average and price reached as low as 28,000. Here's where the similarities come in. Just like in November, we had our first rejection from the 20. In June last year, just like in November, followed by a subsequent fake out rally that was quickly faded. Come June, price was rejected again and again and again, before finding a bottom on July 21st. Sentiment was at record lows. Everyone was convinced the rally was over. But on July 21st, the impossible happened as Bitcoin put in a strong bullish engulfing candle on the daily and rallied to a new all-time high. This took about 112 days. But price did put in a new all-time high, and as of this moment, we have not seen our lows broken. So by definition, Bitcoin is still technically in an uptrend. This is invalidated if our 28,000 swing low of last year is broken and the bulls are unable to recover that price quickly. So is the bottom in now? No one has the answer, but we do have a similar pattern to what we saw last year. The monthly does have a little bit of hope for us as we can see we are currently on top of our 20 monthly moving average. This has been a defining moving average for the macro trend of Bitcoin. Briefly trading below it at the end of 2018's bear market and a quick dip in March of 2020. What we want to see is February close higher and find support right about where it is right now. Potential support at 28,800 to keep our structure, but below that we only have macro historical supports. 20K, 13.8K, 10.5. In my opinion, the bottom, it's damn close. Keep strong out there, fam. Remember, this is all Matt Damon's fault.